How do I install PyCrypto on Windows? I've read every other Google source and so thread, with nothing working. Python 2.7.332-bit installed on Windows 7 64-bit. Download, extracting, and then trying to install PyCrypto results in unable to find vvarsal.bat. So I install Ming and tack that on the install line as the compiler of choice. But then I get the error, runtime error column commod error. How in the world do I get around this? I've tried using pip, which gives the same result. I found a pre-built PyCrypto 2.3 binary and installed that, but it's nowhere to be found on the system, not working. Any ideas?
If you don't already have a C/C++ development environment installed that is compatible with the Visual Studio binaries distributed by Python.org, then you should stick to installing only pure Python packages or packages for which a Windows binary is available. Fortunately, there are PyCrypto binaries available for Windows. This URL. Update. As Udi suggests in the comment below, the following command also installs PyCrypto and can be used in Virtualenv as well. Notice to choose the relevant link for your setup from this list. If you're looking for builds for Python 3.5, see PyCrypto on Python 3.5.
For verses 2010. For verses 2012. Then call.
Microsoft has recently released a standalone, dedicated Microsoft Visual C++ compiler for Python 2.7. If you're using Python 2.7, simply install that compiler and set up tools 6.0 or later, and most packages with C extensions will now compile readily.
After years and years, Python finally agreed for a binary distribution called Wheel, which allows to install even binary extensions on Windows without having a compiler with simple pip install package name. There is a list of popular packages with their status. PyCrypto is not there yet, but LXML, PySide and ScrayPy for example. Edited November 2015, pip uninstall PyCrypto and pip install PyCryptodome. It is a PyCrypto fork with new features, and it supports Wheel. It replaces PyCrypto, so existing code will continue to work. See this URL.